Hello students, in last class we discussed about the basics and some formulas of this chapter. In today I explain some other formulas related to this chapter. First formula is length of arc. It is expressed by L. The formula is pi r theta upon 180. In this formula, r is the radius of circle and theta is the angle made by the radius at the center. Second formula, area of sector equal to pi r square theta upon 360. Next one is area of sector equal to 1 upon 2 into L into R. Area of sector के दो formulas हैं. First one is pi r square theta upon 360. Second one is 1 upon 2 L into R. Here L is the length of arc and R is the radius of circle. Fourth formula, area of segment equal to pi r square theta upon 360 minus R square sin theta upon 2. Fifth formula, area of circular ring equal to pi bracket r plus small r, next bracket r minus small r. Here capital R is the radius of outer circle and small r is the radius of inner circle. Now we start the exercise 15.1. In 15.1 exercise, question number 1, radius of circle is 3.5 cm. Find the circumference and area. In this question we given the radius 3.5. We have to find the circumference and area of circle. First of all, we apply the formula of circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r. I explained in last class. Here r is the radius of circle. We have given that 3.5. 2 multiply 22 upon 7 into 3.5. We remove the bracket and place 10 in below the 3.5. We get 35 upon 10. Then we cut 7 and 35 by the 7 table. 7 1 is 7 and 7 5 is 35. Then 5 1 is 5 and 5 2 is 10. And then 2 1 is 2 and 2 1 is 2. We obtain the 22 centimeter. Now we apply the formula area of circle. The formula is pi r square. Then we put the values in this formula and after calculating we obtain the 38.5 as a area of circle. Next question. The circumference of circle is 44 centimeter. Find the area of circle. In this question we have given the circumference of circle. We have to find the area of circle. For finding the area of circle we need the radius. So we find the radius from the given value circumference of circle. So we apply the circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r. We put circumference of circle in 44 equal to 2 into the, then we put the value of pi 22 upon 7 into r. Then after calculating we find r equal to 7. Then now we easily calculate the area of circle equal to pi r square, and then we put the value of the radius 7, and after calculating we obtain the area of circle equal to 154 square centimeter. Question number 3. The radius of semicircle shape plot is 21 centimeter. Find its area and perimeter. In this question we have given the radius of semicircular plot. Then we have to find the area and perimeter of semicircle. In this question we have given the radius 21 meter. Then area of semicircle equal to pi r square upon 2. Then we put the values of value of radius in this formula, and after calculating we obtain 693 as the area of semicircle. Now we have to find perimeter of semicircle. The formula of perimeter of semicircle is pi r plus 2 into r. After putting the value of radius in this formula we obtain the 100 as the perimeter of semicircle. I think you all understand that all questions and some basics of this chapter. In next class I will explain the some interesting questions of this chapter. Thank you.